Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mystina610 and I am here today to show you how to get this look. I should put some earrings on, but I ain't made it that far yet. So anyway, and I threw in a little hair for y'all too, you know, just a little something. But yeah, I was just sitting here doing my makeup because I have an appointment I have to be at, and I thought I would share my, I guess, go-to look with y'all. The jury's still out about this concealer, so we'll come back and talk about that another day. But if you want to see how to get this look or what I used, stay tuned. So I could not get myself together, y'all. Got to halfway wake myself up. So I'm gonna take this Pure Lease Blue Lotus moisturizer. I don't use this all the time, but it was handy. I was in a hurry. It just worked out for everybody that was present. I'm going to go on with my e.l.f. primer. I'm really enjoying this primer, and I used it with my go-to foundation, which is Makeup Forever, and now I'm in the process of trying a few different foundations, which I'm going to share with you guys. So I'm going to see how this primer works with those. Then I'm going to go in with my Spiked Pencil by MAC to do my eyebrows. Get these fraternal twins together, baby, because they are never, ever identical twins. And I've always heard that you shouldn't be worried about it if your brows aren't, but baby, I don't know how I keep getting them big old discrepancies. And my brows are so thin these days. I just clean them up and leave them thin, and then just, you know, do them when I feel like it. Otherwise, I leave them be. Going in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the color Cafe. I'm going to take my Sigma flatliner brush and sculpt out the brows a little bit. I don't do heavy sculpting, so just a little something. And I think I should have gone in with a darker concealer. That would have made me happy. Brush out my brows, because now I'm going to have the halo vibes. But they're all done, nonetheless. Then I'm going to take my Urban Decay Primer Potion, put that all over both of my lids. Then I'm going to go into my MAC palette that I created. And I'm going to go in with the first color of Brown Script. This is my absolute favorite go-to crease color. I always start my looks with Brown Script by MAC. It just works for me. I enjoy the reddish orange brown situation it gives off, and it just always ends up blending wonderfully. Then I'm going to take Embark by MAC, which is a matte shade, just to give my crease a little bit of depth. Not too much, just a little something. Then I'm going to take Amber Lights and go all over my lid. Then I'm going to go back into Brown Script just to blend out the edges of that Amber Lights. Make sure everything is blended and looking cohesive, like it's going into the next shade as opposed to looking stark and crazy as hell. Then I'm going to take Antiqued by MAC and just put that on my outer V area. Then I'm going to take this concealer pencil by e.l.f. and highlight my under eye and down the bridge of my nose and the center of my forehead. I was trying this out that day. It probably wasn't the best day to do it, but then I'm going to take my Sculpting cream by MAC. I can't remember what the color is, but I'll put it down in the description box for you guys. And I use that to contour my face. I enjoy the slight red that it gives off. And the depth that it gives me with the contouring. I just love that cream, and I hate that they only did it as a limited edition or limited time situation. just gonna blend that in and get my 3 popping on the side of my face. You know the 3 where you go from your forehead to your center line and then under your jawline there. So this here is a Juno & Co. Beauty blender. This sponge is so amazing. This blender is really amazing. It didn't go well with this e.l.f. concealer pencil that I'm giving you on the under the eyes and down the bridge of the nose, but I am so excited to use it with my liquid foundation. This thing is amazing. If you don't have one, you should go check them out. They are a whole entire $4. I'll put a link to them down in the description box so you can just click and go. But when I tell you this sponge feels like no other sponge that I have ever personally used, it's giving you kind of microfiber-ish situations, and it feels like a brush when you rub it. It's kind of brushy like. It's just totally different from any other blender I've used. So I'm going to go in now with my MAC Mineralized Skinfnish in Deep Dark and just take that all over my face to bring some warmth back from doing the under eye situation. Trying to get rid of them halo brows, baby. Then I'm going to go in with my Colossal Big Shot Colossal Big Shot mascara by CoverGirl, which was their collaboration with Makeup Shayla. I love this mascara. And then I'm going to take this color by Color Rain that I got eons ago. Then I'm going to go into my Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Violet Volume 2, and I'm going to take Yara and Zoba with my e.l.f. blush brush and just put that on. It's my favorite blush brush. Absolute hands down favorite. Then I'm going to take this highlighter by MAC. I think it's called Bronze Gold or Golden Bronze. I think it's discontinued as well, and you can tell I've got hella product left because I've had it for freaking ever and I never do my freaking makeup. Hence why I'm here trying to get my life together. And this highlight is bomb, but I put a really sheer layer on. I'm going to spray my face with my MAC Fix Plus. And I'm taking this color Heaux by MAC, which was a Rihanna collaboration, and my Nightmoth pencil, which is one of my absolute favorites. I live for me a good plummy, berry, dark lip pencil. I even put it with my red lipstick with my Ruby Woo. Yes ma'am, I pairs it with that too. I love just deeper pencils. So I'm gonna put that lipstick on, and if I got the name wrong, or is it, I think it is Heaux, and it was the Rihanna collection that she did with MAC a few years back. Oh, that was a long time ago, but it's cute though. All my teeth just for y'all. So now I'm gonna give y'all a little hair action. So I wet my hair and I applied some Jane Carter's gel there, and I got a little, foam caught up in there. So I just applied that, rubbed it all in, give it a good shake, and bam. And that's it, guys. My camera died, so I didn't get the rest, but make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Talk to y'all soon.